So today we're going to do the standing meditation. So we would do that at the beginning of the class. So put your feet together and your arms are by your side. And just imagine you've got a balloon under each of the armpits and the elbows move to the side slightly. So your arms are activated. Going to bend the knees, peel off your right foot, take it to the side, transfer the weight over, and then just come to your center. We're going to take 3 circles. The arms coming up, breathing in and breathing out. And again, and breathing in and breathing out. So each time there's 3 breaths, and each time the circle gets a slightly bigger. So breathing in and breathing out. And you're going to place your hands on your Tian, which is just 2 fingers below your belly button. One hand and the other one on top. And just gently I invite you to close your eyes. Or you may, if you don't want to close your eyes, you can just look at the floor in front of you. And I'm going to bring your attention to your feet and the soles of the feet on the floor, big toe, little toe and heel. And just allow the energy to come from the center of the earth up through the center of your feet, the bubbling stream. And it moves up the legs, through your body, and out through the top of your head. So just be aware of your ankles and the space in front of the ankles. And you may find that you just bend your knees slightly more because your knees are never straight. And then just allow the calves to soften and the space behind your knees. And then bringing your attention to your glutes, just allow them to be relaxed. Don't want to hold on anywhere, you're trying to soften the body. And then just take your attention to your pelvis, the space within the pelvis. And then to your spine, so from the coccyx and from every vertebra, just imagine there's tiny balloons in between each of the vertebra, and each one just expands slightly so your spine lengthens. So there's no pressure on your lower back. Beautiful. And then just taking your attention to the space between your shoulder blades. So you just want to just feel that space just slightly expand. And take your attention to your shoulders. So we don't want our shoulders up by our ears, so take your shoulders miles away from your ears. And at the back of the neck is called the jade pillow. So we just want to make sure that's nice and lengthened, but not too much, and you don't cut it off here. So you're just looking straight ahead. Chin's not up. Just make sure you just dip your chin a little bit. And then the top of your head. Imagine you've got a hair, and you just take it up, 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 and it reaches up to beyond the sky, to the cosmos beyond. And you have the support from above and the support from below. And we're just going to stay in this position for a few minutes. And while you're standing here, just bring your attention to your belly, to the Tian, the elixir field. This is where the energy is stored. And as you breathe in, you may notice the belly moves into your palms. And as you breathe out, it moves gently away. But there's tiny, tiny movements. Allow the chest to soften. Very good. And then at the end of this exercise, so you can stay here for as long as you wish. You're going to just gently bring your arms to your sides. Slowly open your eyes. And bring your feet together. Well done.